Maybe you're a pro at juggling your child's after-school activities, or you might be the go-to tech troubleshooter with your friends, or perhaps you're a dedicated volunteer at an animal rescue. No matter what life experiences you've had, they've helped you develop incredibly valuable skills. For me, I spend time waiting tables. This helped me hone my customer service skills and anticipate what someone else needs before they ask for it. This experience as a server also made me a clear and succinct communicator who is able to tailor my messages to different audiences. And believe it or not, all of these skills are useful in my job as a program manager and leader today. Thanks to your experiences, you have skills right now that you can bring to a new job. That's why they're called transferable skills. They're things you've learned in one situation that can be applied to a completely different one, like a new job. Knowing what your transferable skills are can help you decide which jobs you want to pursue. You'll also be able to better communicate the connection between all of your different life experiences and the job you're applying for. This, in turn, helps you shape your resume and talk yourself up during an interview. And the exciting part is, there are companies out there right now looking for your transferable skills. Many employers are now using skills-based hiring practices. This means they value selecting candidates based on the skills needed to be successful in a job over strict education requirements or previous job titles. So let your transferable skills shine through. Many people think about technical transferable skills first, like programming or data analysis. But other skills like adaptability, communication, problem solving, and teamwork can be just as important to employers. I'm not expecting you to know what your transferable skills are right now. In fact, a lot of people find it hard to identify the qualities that they have that employers would want, partly because your skills are second nature to you. It's easier to identify your transferable skills by taking it step by step. The first step is to reflect on your life experiences. Think about every aspect of your life, not just the experiences you think are job-related. Have you volunteered? Are you a mentor? Do you coach sports? Have you taken a leadership role in a group situation? The second step is to think about the transferable skills that you developed in each of those experiences. For example, did your volunteer position involve any detail-oriented administrative duties? Did you need to brainstorm fundraising ideas? Were you in charge of an in-person event? Take a moment to reflect on your own experiences and jot down the skills you built while doing those activities. The third and final step is to think about how your transferable skills can lead to a potential job. Here are some examples of how this works. Project management roles often require strong communication and planning skills. An executive assistant may already have these transferable skills because their job involves managing complex schedules, coordinating meetings, and communicating with their stakeholders. In other words, an executive assistant might have transferable skills that are relevant for a job as a project manager. Or consider this. Delivering pitches is a key part of a public relations job, so the industry values strong presentation and leadership skills. Teachers must confidently present valuable information to their classes and lead and manage their students, so many teachers may have the skills transferable to a PR role. Let me share one more example. Many roles across various industries require the ability to be a team player and a strong collaborator. These are transferable skills that can be developed during military service, in sports, at school, or in other environments that involve collaborating with diverse personalities to meet a shared goal. You're already carrying around a good amount of valuable skills, so you might be further along in your job search prep than you originally thought. As you move through this course, you'll learn how you can tap into these transferable skills throughout your job searching journey.